In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set project budgets in Goodday. Let's get started right inside the Goodday workspace. First, you'll want to open the project you're planning to track financially. This could be any project in your workspace, like a client engagement, an internal initiative, or a marketing campaign. From your main Goodday dashboard, locate the correct project in your list or board view and click to open it. Make sure you're inside the actual project space, not just hovering over it in a preview. Once the project is open, look toward the upper right-hand area of the screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon, which represents your project settings. This is where Goodday keeps most of the configuration options that control how your project behaves. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding your window or closing any side panels so the top right corner is clearly visible. After clicking the gear, a settings menu or panel will open. In this menu, you'll find different sections related to your project configuration. Look for the option labeled Finance. This is the dedicated area where you can manage everything related to project budgets, costs, and financial tracking. Click on Finance to open the financial settings for your project. Inside the Finance section, you'll see various configuration options that relate to how you track and manage the project budget. Here is where you select and adjust the settings that best match how your team handles money and resources. Depending on how your Goodday account is set up, you may see options for defining a total project budget, configuring hourly rates or cost per task, or choosing how expenses are calculated and reported. At this point, carefully review the available fields and drop-downs. Select the settings that align with your budgeting approach. For example, you might set a fixed total budget if you're working on a flat fee project, or you may enable time-based calculations if you bill by the hour. Double check the values you enter to ensure they reflect the correct